called Rainbow 5 by the Army and WPL-46 by the Navy. This plan could be put into effect only by the War and Navy departments. The Joint Coastal Frontier Defense Plan for Hawaii was approved by Admiral Block and me on 11 April 1941, based, of course, on the Rainbow Plan. Under this plan, the Navy undertook responsibility for distance reconnaissance. No part of this joint plan would take effect until the War Department ordered M-Day under the Rainbow Plan, unless it was ordered into effect from Washington or by mutual agreement between the Army and Navy in Hawaii. Due to my knowledge of the attitude of the War Department, I would never have ordered any part of the plan into effect without consulting it, as long as communications were open and time permitted. Under the distance reconnaissance. On November 27th, I received the following radiogram from the Chief of Staff, which, on account of its conflicting instructions, the Army Pearl Harbor Board called the do-don't message. Number 472. Negotiations with the Japanese appear to be terminated to all practical purposes, with only the barest possibilities that the Japanese government might come back and offer to continue. Japanese future action unpredictable, but hostile action possible at any moment. If hostilities cannot be avoided, the United States desires that Japan commit the first overt act. This policy should not, repeat not, be construed as restricting you to a course of action that might jeopardize your defense. Prior to the hostile Japanese action, you are directed to undertake such reconnaissance and other measures as you may deem necessary. But these measures should be carried out so as not, repeat not, to alarm the civil population or disclose intent. Report measures taken. Should hostilities occur, you will carry out the tasks assigned in Rainbow 5 so far as they pertain to Japan. Limit the dissemination of this highly secret information to the minimum essential officers. The impression conveyed to me by this message was that the avoidance of war was paramount, and that the greatest fear of the War Department was that some international incident might occur in Hawaii and be regarded by Japan as an overt act. That this opinion